Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's the first time here, you're welcome. If you are a old subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. If you want to see how this look came out using the Veebeauty foundation, then keep on watching while we go right into this video. Guys, today's video is a foundation review. I'm going to be reviewing this foundation from Veebeauty Cosmetics. So if you're Nigerian, I'm sure you must have been aware of this product by now, or some of the products that they have. So this is one of the new foundations they just launched. So I think they launched this few days ago or a few weeks ago. I can't really tell when it was launched. So this foundation says is a true color matte fluid, and it says here this is a long wear foundation that gives you a full coverage and oil-free look. We love your skin even when you don't multi-use sculpting concealing. So we are going to be seeing how this foundation wears on the skin, how true color matte fluid it is, how full coverage it is, how oil-free it looks on the skin. They also said here, even when you don't use multi-sculpting concealing, I assume that even when I don't do my contour and highlight, I'm still supposed to be looking cute. Like my face is not supposed to be looking flat, I guess. Is that what it means? Please let me know down in the comment section if that is what it means, or even if it's not, just let me know what you think about that statement. Here they have like an autograph on this sticker here. So this is how it's looking in the bottle. They wrote 2 here. I don't really understand what the 2 means. I feel it's because this is their second bottle when it comes to their foundation range. Yeah, the first foundation they launched was in a bottle, like a clear bottle. Then the second one was a tube, and then this is the third foundation they've launched. And I feel because it's the second bottle, that's why they gave this number. I love the way the bottle is. It's very portable, it's carryable, like anywhere. Like I can just put it in my handbag and I'm off. I love the fact that it's in a frosted bottle. I just love the way the bottle is. And the quantity inside of here is 30 ml. 30 ml like is a good quantity. This is retail for 3,500 naira. The shade I'll be using is V Sand. So the set is fluid. Let's see how it is. So it has this thing that you can just, I'm sure that if you want to take out the foundation, you need to like press this and then you pick. Okay, so the truth is this foundation is not fluid enough. Like I was expecting it to be like liquidy. I was hoping when you press on the dropper it will just pick the foundation and then you just drop on your skin, but look at, it's not even coming out. This will be a problem for me because since it's not picking, like how am I even going to? So that means you need to do this, like press it like 20 times before it will drag the foundation into the dropper. This is not liquid. So before I go into the foundation, I'm going to be cleansing my skin. So I'll be using this from Simple. It's sensitive skin expert kind to skin micellar cleansing water. Gently cleanse and removes makeup. Non-artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. So this is in 200 ml. I've not used this cleanser before, so that's the reason why I'm trying this out here today. So if it's something you've used before, let me know down in the comment section how it was on your skin. So this is dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic. It also have vitamin B3 and vitamin C and triple purified water. So I guess that will be good for the skin. So I just put some generous amounts on my wipes and use it to cleanse my face. Okay guys, so I just relaxed my hair. If you've not seen my video on how I relax my hair at home using the Mega Growth relaxer, I'll be leaving a card somewhere here, so you just see how I do that by myself. So I'm going to leave this to dry for a while, and then I'll let you know what it is and how it feels on the skin. So guys, I literally feel like I use water to cleanse my skin. The only difference is that your skin is kind of soft and also hydrated. I'll go on ahead to moisturize and prime my skin. And so guys, I'm done with my skin prep, so we are going to go on ahead to see what this foundation have for us. So I want to match that foundation to my skin and see how well this will suit my skin. Though I did this, wow, you know how tricky this thing can be. Like you did a test in the makeup store only for you to come out, or when you get home you notice that it's totally something else. No, sometimes the lights can be deceiving. So this is a bit on the orange side, so if it was a little bit yellowish, that would have suited my skin at least even better, but I'm going to make use of it. I have a video on my channel where I did how to match foundation to your undertone. I'll be leaving a card here in case you've not seen that. So I'm going to go on ahead to use the dropper and drop the foundation on my skin. So I'm still pumping it. Okay, so I'll put like 3 pumps or 2. Let me see how that will wear. Like, it's too thick. So I just have to spread that before I blend out. It's a bit orangey. So I'll just be blending one side of my face so you see how much that covers and also how it wears. Okay, that is actually easy to blend, and that application really went far. I don't know if it's showing there, but it's a bit orangey than my original tone. Yellow undertone, so you see that this did not really match my undertone. If you look at my neck, you see the difference. Like there's a clear difference between the foundation and my neck. So I'm using the shade in V Sand. I was supposed to get 2 of this. I don't know, I later changed my mind, just went for 1. So if I'd gotten like 2 shades, probably the neutral, there's one other shade, I think. I don't know how many shades this came in, but I'll be checking that in a bit and let you guys know how many shades this foundation came in. But I like the way the foundation wears. Like, I love the way it wears. You see that? See this other side? Like, I love the way it wears. I don't feel tacky on my skin at all, despite the fact that it's a matte foundation, and also there's this little glow that is coming from within. I love applying liquid illuminator, but I just did not do that because I wanted to see and feel the way this foundation will truly come out. If it's something that maybe will like dull my skin or something. So I'm going to go on ahead to apply that foundation on this other side. I'm going to be blending that out using my beauty sponge. So I'll blend the same way I normally would blend my foundation. So I spray that setting spray on my beauty sponge to make it damp just a bit. So I'm just pressing that into my skin. I can tell you that I love the way the foundation wears on the skin. Okay, so this is just one wear, like one application. Even though some dark spot is peeking through, like I'm seeing one here and I'm also seeing one here, but it's not really obvious. And I feel that with time, as the foundation sink into my skin, it's going to cover that more. I only wish that it was my undertone. It would have been so much more beautiful than it is. Hair like this, it's orangey, then my neck is kind of yellow. You seen that? I will actually get a shade that I'll mix with this, or I'll try to get my own shade. Let me check and see how many shades of foundation that they have. I think it should be up to 10 if I'm not mistaken. 10, I'm not sure, let me check. So you can order this foundation. You can just go to their page on IG, Veebeauty Cosmetics, you see them, or any store, makeup store close to you. I'm sure that most stores now have stocked this product. Their name on IG, it's stated Lady V Beauty Planet Cosmetics. So here I'm seeing, like, I just hope it's not the same foundation that they sampled here. So the reason why I didn't really know my shade is because I didn't see any swatch. All what I saw was in a bottle. So I'm seeing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So hopefully these 9 should be different shades that they have. And they didn't really leave the names of the foundation here on their IG page, but the one I got, like I said, is V Sand. So they have other shades. Let me show you how my skin looks like with the foundation and without the foundation, side by side. I love the way this foundation applied on my skin. Like, I was literally spreading it on my skin with this brush from City Color in F06, and it was like I've already blended it out. Let me go on ahead to highlight underneath my eyes, set my skin, and I'll be, yeah guys, this is the finished look. See how the foundation matches my skin, because I use the Veebeauty powder palette in the shade Sweet Honey. So it's exactly my shade and my undertone, so it helped the foundation to blend, like sink well into my skin. If you notice, there is really no difference between my face and my neck the way it was earlier. I did not blend the foundation down to my neck because I wanted to see how that will react when I apply the when I set with the powder. So yeah, it really came out nice. I don't know how it's looking right there, but here, as I'm looking at my skin, everything is blended. Like, even if it's not like 100% my undertone, but it's looking real good on me. So it's something that I can wear, you know, without feeling like my face is looking different from my skin or my neck. Yeah, okay, so my final thoughts on this foundation is the foundation is wearable, is buildable, is not like super mattifying, like, you know, that kind of matte that will make your skin feel flaky, dry, and not hydrated. There's a little glow inside of the foundation. I don't know if it's because it's like a matte fluid. If you notice, when I applied earlier, my skin was kind of glowing a bit. So this foundation, it's a long wear foundation that I'm going to try because I'm going out now. So for a couple of errands, let me see how durable it's gonna last on my skin, even if I'm not going to stay like 12 hours. Though it didn't say here how many hours it's gonna stay, but I'll just, you know, go out and come back, let you guys know what it is. It says it gives you full coverage. Yeah, For the full coverage, it actually gave me a reasonable coverage at first application, though I still saw a little dark spot peeking through. I added a little, like a tiny bit of that foundation again after the first coverage. For the full coverage, I will say yes, it is a full coverage and oil free. For the oil, yeah, but I won't really say it's completely oil free because it has some shine. I feel it's because of the oil that is in it that is giving that shine. It's really not matte, if that makes any sense. Yeah, but I love the fact that it gave that glow. It doesn't leave you with a matte, dry looking skin. It's like a matte, glowing skin. I don't know if that makes sense. And also, as a beginner, you won't find it difficult to blend at all because that did not give me any issue. My problem with this foundation now is that the consistency in this foundation is so thick that you cannot bring it out from the dropper, except you have to press. I even had to shake it like this before I was able to, you know, take it out from the dropper. So you see that you only have like 2 drops because the consistency is too thick. So the dropper is finding it hard or difficult to absorb or take in the foundation. If they have to restock this foundation, maybe they would, I don't know if they have to change the consistency or change this dropper and maybe make it a pump. That was where I had all the stress. But every other thing concerning this foundation is very okay for me, considering the fact that it's a drugstore. Will I recommend this foundation? Yes, I will, because it's really good. So guys, I'm gonna go out, like run my errands and come back, then I will give you my final thoughts if this foundation really lasts or not. Okay, so see you. So guys, yeah, this is, I still have my glasses on. Okay, so this is how my face is looking right now. I hurriedly came back to come and complete this video because I film with natural lighting, so the sun has gone down completely. As you can see, the weather has changed. Please ignore that noise. So I've gone for like 3 hours. What's the time now? This is 6:25. I went to the open market to get some stuff. I even walked under the sun. So for my face to still be looking like this, it's good. I'm not feeling like there's no oil coming through because I get oily around my T-zone. I didn't feel that at all. I was very comfortable. The foundation doesn't feel heavy at all. It doesn't feel tacky, like dry, and it leaves my skin feeling very normal. So yeah, yes guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any value out of this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe right here and ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new videos. Thank you, stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.